Hi, here we have a question from 11.1. A bus stop is barricaded from remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter, height 1 meters. If the side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all the cones? So first of all, we see the diameter of the cone is given to us as 40 centimeter and the height is given as 1 meters. Now both are different units, so we have to take in one of the unit. The unit will decide from the cost. Cost is in meter square, so we will take the units in meters. Now diameter is 40 centimeter. First of all, we find out the radius. Radius will be 20 centimeter. You divide it by 100, so you get it in meters. That is 0.2 meters. Height is already given in meters, that is 1 meters. Now we know that to find out the CSA, because we need to find out cost of painting, so we need to find out CSA of the cone. So to find out CSA of the cone, we need to find out slant height, which is not given. So the formula for L is h square plus r square. Now here h is 1 and radius is 0.2. So we get is 1 plus 0.04. When we add it up, we get 1.04, and finding the square root of it, we get is 1.02 meters. So slant height is 1.02. Using this, we can find out the cost of painting. Before finding cost of painting, we need to find out CSA. Now we know that CSA of one cone would be with the formula pi RL. So here we apply the value of pi as 3.14, radius 0.2 and L 1.02. After multiplying all the things, what we get is 0.64056 meter square. This is the CSA of one cone. Now first of all, we find the CSA of 50 cones because we need to paint 50 cones. So cost of painting 50 cones at the rate rupees 12 per meter square. So CSA of one cone is this. So CSA of 50 cones, for that we have to multiply by 50, and to find out the cost we need to multiply it by 12. So we get 384.34 approximately. So this is the cost of painting 50 cones at rupees 12 per meter square.